If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Welcome to a brand new Chelles Glam Home for 2024. For today's video, guys, I'm going to take you along showing you how I decorate my home in this gorgeous baby blue. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I put away all the Christmas decorations and I was so excited to get a fresh new look here at Chelles Glam Home. I recently was in a discount variety store here in Australia called Silly Sollies, where everything is $5 and under, and I absolutely fell in love with these gorgeous stems, and I thought they were the perfect touch of blue for my home.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you.
One of the many things I love doing in my home is making flower arrangements from inexpensive flowers from my local dollar store. I love collecting them through the years, guys, and rearranging my home for a fresh new start.
Shivers, it hurts.
So guys, one of the things that you'll notice is that I changed out my wallpaper. I added this to Kmart frames as well as above my banquette seating and as well as in my range hood. I also like to add new cushion covers to my banquette seating. I get these ones, guys, from a company on Instagram called Willow Home Living, and I'll leave them linked down below.
I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not.
Now, one of the other things that I did over the Christmas break was paint my range hood this gorgeous stone colour. Now guys, this is actually a colour match from a piece of Kmart decor, and it is very popular at the moment, this particular colour, and I love how I added it with a piece of the beautiful wallpaper.
I want you.
Now on my kitchen island, I added this gorgeous chinoiserie bowl. Now guys, I'd done a DIY on some Kmart flowers in another vase, and the vase fits perfectly in this bowl, and I absolutely love how it looks.
I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Only problem is I love you. What to do, you got me bound. Make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you so damn much. Every word you say, every time we touch. I love you now. I want
Now you'll also notice that I changed out my pendant lights over my kitchen island. I got these beautiful rustic pendant lights from 1825 Interiors, and I love how they were a little bigger than my previous pendant lights. I absolutely love to decorate with blue in my home, guys. It brings such a calm feeling to my home, and it always makes me so happy.
I want you.
So this year, guys, my schedule is still the same. I'll be uploading every Sunday at 8:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So don't forget to tap your notification bells so you'll be aware next time I upload. And if you're new to my channel, I'd truly love if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelles Glam Home family. This little corner of my home I absolutely adore. It's probably one of my favourite DIYs, guys. The banquette seating where I can change out the cushions are my favourite area of my home.
Girl, and my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause
Now with Valentine's Day just around the corner, guys, I have a Decorate With Me video coming up for you very soon. So again, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be aware when I upload it.
When she's looking like that, the way she's moving makes her want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 pilot t-shirt, got some stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly, knows how to write a good song, at least better than this. 'Cause if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it. 'Cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Come on and give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelles Glam Home family. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video, the first video for Chelles Glam Home in 2024.
I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes her want it so bad.
I hope you all have had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's break. I'm excited for what 2024 has in store here at Chelles Glam Home. So if you love watching my videos, guys, I'd really appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love most of all if you would hit that subscribe button. So don't forget, guys, I'll be back next Sunday, 8:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends,
I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.